bison also almost went extinct back in the 1800s due to westward expansion and the building of the railroad. But thanks to our national parks like Yellowstone, the numbers have gone up, and they're doing a lot better. Out there to your right, you can see more of those rhea. The males have that black ring around their neck, and the females are all gray. When the females lay eggs, the males will sit on the nest. They will also raise the chicks. Those are some more of those fallow deer out there. We are entering Africa, where we have some of our larger land mammals. Out there to your right, you can see a male ostrich. The males are black, the females are gray. When they stand up straight, they are about 8 feet tall. You will see them in this section, the next section, and one more section after that. Out there to your left, you can see our African elephants. African elephants are a matriarchal species, so they're led by the oldest female. All of our elephants here at the park are female, and our oldest female's name is Lucy. Elephants are endangered in the wild due to poaching for their ivory tusks. There is currently an international ban on ivory, so that's helping out our elephants a lot. We do still like to help out our elephants because they're what we call a keystone species. They're vital to the environment that they live in because they tear away tree trunks and other grazing areas for other animals. If we weren't there to do that, other animals that depend on them would not be able to thrive. The female ostrich is sitting on a nest there, but she is being a good mom and covering all those eggs. So you do have another opportunity to see some eggs a little bit later. An elephant's tusk is actually a type of tooth. Elephants have two types of teeth. They have those tusks, and they also have molars. Their molars are called marching molars because when one set falls out, a new set will grow in. Each African elephant will go through about 6 sets of molars in their lifetime. Out there to the left, you do got another look at those elephants. And one of them's using themselves as a scratching post. We were doing that before too. We did that the other day. They help each other out. You scratch my back, I'll scratch yours. That's what they do. They are all female. Coming up on your left, you can see some of our white rhino. As we get closer, you might notice that our rhino are not very white. That's because in Africa, they're called the wide rhino, and it just got misinterpreted. They're called the wide rhino for the wide upper lip that they have. They are also endangered due to poaching for that horn. Their horns, however, are not true horns. They're made out of keratin, which is the same material that makes up our hair and our nails. Also out there to your left, you can see our Asian water buffalo in the water. They will stay in the water all day. And then coming up on your right, you can see some of our grand zebra. A zebra stripe is like our fingerprint. Each one is unique to them, so no two zebra are alike. Although they look like horses, they are more closely related to the donkey. So this is the wild plants, where we have some of our larger antelope and gazelle species. We also have some of our peacocks, so you will see them around. have a peacock coming up there on your left. They're in the road. If you can't see that one, you will have another one coming up. But first on your right, you can see those large tan animals under the tree. Those are common eland. Common eland are the largest antelope species. They're also the slowest. They run about 25 miles per hour. They make up for their slow running speed in their jump height. They can jump about 8 feet high to get away from predators. And then those white animals you see out there to the right, those are Ardama gazelle. They're the largest and rarest form of gazelle. And the gray animals with the really straight up and down horns, those are Biza oryx. Biza oryx are a desert dwelling animal, so they adapt to their environment by raising their body temperature to about 116 degrees Fahrenheit to conserve from sweating. Also out there, to your right, all the way up against the fence, those little guys, those are black buck with the horns. The larger ones with the white on their noses, those are ellipsis waterbuck. Although they're called waterbuck, they do not spend all day in the water. They just spend it around water though. As we approach our giraffes, just a reminder to please keep those hands, arms, and heads inside at all times. Please do not touch our giraffes. It's for your safety and theirs. We will be going past them, so there is no need to stick your head outside of the truck to see. Those are some of our reticulated giraffe. The male reticulated giraffe can grow to be about 18 feet tall, and the females can grow to be about 16 feet tall. Their legs are about 6 feet long, and they do give birth standing up. Their hearts are also about 2 feet wide and weigh about 25 pounds. They need double the blood pressure that you and I need to help get their blood up those long necks. We are also approaching our halfway point of the safari. This is an optional stop called Camp Adventura. Here at Camp Adventura, we have giraffe feedings every hour on the half hour. It's currently 12:19. The next giraffe feeding will be at 12:30. We also have our soaring eagle zip line.